Hello there, welcome to my channel. I'm Angela from artofmy.com. Just a short video for you today. I just had a little bit of a craft haul. I am slowly, I will say, recycling. I am selling up a lot of my old stock that I don't use or have never used because it's just sitting there doing nothing. So what I've done is packaged a few little mystery boxes that you can find on my website, full of stock that I don't use anymore. Some of it's new, some of it's used. So if you're interested, they're only £10 per box. So if you're interested, bob along and have a look. I'll leave a link in the description. But I've done a little bit of a haul, a couple of things from Temu. I tend not to buy things from Temu anymore if I can help it. But I do go through a lot of these, and these can be quite pricey if you buy them from like branded craft stores. So I do tend to buy stuff like this quite a lot. What else do I have? Oh yes, I love these. I go through quite a few of these. These are really nice. They're lovely for like underwater scenes and things, or rain scenes. They just look really nice. I love them. All different sizes as well. What else do we have? Oh yes, I'm looking forward to using that. That'll be nice. I've actually seen quite a few cards and things made with something similar to this. I have no idea what that is. It looks like a fence. It's unusual for me to buy dies without stamps, unless I'll have to double check that because maybe it hasn't arrived and perhaps I didn't order it. Aha, here we go to the good stuff. These Sizzix Sidekick Side Order Thinlits. I just thought these looked really nice. I saw these on the Sizzix, I think it was the Sizzix channel. I was watching some video or other and I just thought they looked really nice, so looking forward to using those. What else do I have? Yeah, some more Sizzix Thinlits, 9 butterfly dies. They're really pretty. Yeah, like those. I do like my butterflies. Oh, some more Sizzix Thinlits. I do like stuff like this because they don't need stamps, they're just literally dies. They're great for putting under belly bands or wax seals and things like that, just for building a card up. They're really nice. What do we have here? Oh, it's just paper by Justine Hovey. Oh right, so this is a die and stamp set. I haven't opened any of these yet. That looks nice. This is obviously a wedding one. That's really nice. CraftStash. This is a die set. Very nice. Oh yeah, I really do like things like this. Things that you can use in the autumn. They're just lovely. I love anything like this. And they've got some nice little sentiments there of be leaf yourself, I leaf you. Very nice, yeah. Falling Leaves A5 stamp set. Another Justine Hovey one. And another Justine Hovey one. Oh right, okay, so Falling Leaves die set, so they go together. That's handy. Right, have you heard of Inkylicious? I hadn't before I saw this video of, I think it was actually the Inkylicious, is that how you pronounce it? Inkylicious. I think it was actually the YouTube channel, and I saw some absolutely beautiful cards made from these two stamps. I just think they're beautiful, so I'm looking forward to having a go at those. And also, if you buy stencils from Inkylicious, if you buy them without the plastic packaging, you get them cheaper. So I bought, these are like, oops, they're stuck together, like mountains and hills, another mountain and hill one, and they've got masks for sun and moon. I'll get them out to have a look in a bit because they're all stuck together at the moment. Yes, I've been wanting to experiment with different types of cards and things. That's a nested Slimline Die Set. I'm not sure what I would use that for yet, but I wanted to get out of my comfort zone. And there's another one, nested DL die set. I don't think I've ever made a DL card. I might give that a go. Right, one more thing. This is the pasty resistance. So this is what I've been waiting for. I do have one, the Stampin' Up one, which is in my other room with all my other crafting stuff. But I like these because as much as I love my Sizzix scoreboard and trimmer. It's massive and it takes up the entire area of my desk. So I wanted something like this. It's a cut and score trimmer. So I'll take this out for you to have a look at. So, oh, it's good because it has rubber feet underneath. That's really good. It has a score blade and a cutting blade. You can tell the score blade because it has, I don't know if you can see that. It has a little dot on the top, and that has like a little triangle because that's the cutting blade. Yeah, but what I like about this is that it opens out up to 17 inches. But it's nice and compact for when you're just cutting like small amounts of card or small widths of card. I did have my eye on another one. Oh, I can't remember the name of it. It could have been from We Are Memory Keepers. It was like an all-in-one thing. I'll have a look and see if I can find it. Well, the one thing I didn't like about it was because it has a 6-inch score board sort of built in. Whereas this one, so you could only score things up to 6 inches wide. Whereas with this, has a score blade. So you can score things up to 17 inches, which I just think it's great. So you just put your paper in and score it whichever width you want and cut it with whichever width you want. So I have been really looking forward to this. I think it's great, and it feels, to be honest, it feels a lot sturdier than the Stampin' Up one as well. But I really do like this style of trimmer, and I did need something because that that big Sizzix one, it is heavy and it's bulky. And it just, sometimes when I'm crafting or making a video, there isn't room on my desk with everything else that I'm using. So pleased with that, very, very pleased with that. I'll just get out those stencils for you to have a look at. Right, I know these didn't come with a bag, but I am going to have to put them in a bag or I will lose them. Right, so there are quite a few round masks for whatever you want to use them for. Hills and mountains. Handy. Another one. Quite a few of those in different sizes. And I like that as well. It's like a window, I don't know if you can see it, it's like a window, an arched window. Wow, quite a few of those. There's some more. I think they're like clouds and hills and mountains and a sun or a moon or whatever you want to use it for. That's like a reflection one. Yeah, I actually wonder if that could be used with that. Perhaps, I don't know yet. I'll have to look into it. But it's got little birds on as well. You can see there. And just a couple of arched ones. So I wonder. Yeah, so that goes with that. Right, okay, interesting. Square, what's the square one for? Oh, right, that must be for that. Okay. And another mountain one, and another couple of round masks. Okay. So I shall put these away in a bit. I'll try not to lose them. So I just wanted to say as well, if there's anything of here that you've seen that you would like to see me attempt to make something with, please let me know in the comments and I shall have a go. It probably won't win any awards, but I'll have a go just to see what I can do. So please do let me know if there's anything you'd like to see me use. And like I say, I will give it my best shot. You never know, it might be good for a laugh if nothing else. So thank you so much for watching. I always appreciate it. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye now.